Join me as I dive into the world of cacao and challenge myself to uncover its amazing health benefits. Cacao, the raw form of chocolate, has been touted for its incredible health benefits, ranging from boosting your mood to supporting heart health. You might have heard about its amazing perks, but let's dive deeper to understand why cacao is considered a superfood. Many of us have been led to believe that chocolate is bad for our health, but that's largely due to the processed versions we find on store shelves. These often contain added sugars, milk, and other ingredients that can quickly turn a healthy snack into a guilty pleasure. The truth is, not all chocolate is created equal. Pure cacao, on the other hand, is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that can have a positive impact on our well-being. The key is to differentiate between processed chocolate and pure cacao. While processed chocolate might be tasty, it's the pure cacao that holds the key to unlocking its health benefits. So, let's focus on the good stuff, the raw, unprocessed cacao that nature has to offer. Processed chocolate often gets a bad rep, and rightfully so, but it's essential to remember that cacao, in its pure form, is a nutrient-dense food that deserves our attention. By understanding the difference, we can make informed choices about what we put into our bodies. Cacao is rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also an excellent source of flavonoids, which have been shown to support heart health by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Plus, cacao contains phenylethylamine, a natural mood elevator that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The flavonoids in cacao have also been shown to have a positive impact on cognitive function, improving memory and focus. Some studies suggest that cacao may even have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect against chronic diseases like arthritis and diabetes. With its impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder cacao is considered a superfood. One standout study found that consuming cacao regularly can increase blood flow to the brain, boosting cognitive function and even helping to prevent age-related cognitive decline. Another statistic that caught my attention is that cacao contains over 300 different compounds, many of which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. The benefits of cacao are truly remarkable, and it's exciting to think about the potential impact it could have on our health. With its rich nutrient profile and impressive list of health benefits, cacao is definitely worth incorporating into our diets. In summary, cacao is a nutrient-dense food that's rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds that can have a positive impact on our health and well-being. If you're as excited as I am about the health benefits of cacao, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your favorite way to enjoy cacao. And if you're looking for more videos on healthy foods, be sure to check out our channel for more content like this.